People only hear that. People only hear that. Yo, the war not done. Yo, the war not done. People think it be over. Yo, Stefflon say, yo, think again. What's good, YouTube guy? Boy, Jambisco back with another man update. Yeah, man, people. Stefflon say, yo, the war not over, you know, man. You say, yo, Twinkle that talk about a lie on me and thing, and she that say, yo, Ray Tay, she done. Twinkle say, yo, Ray. Yo, me say about a lie, Ray Tay, you make up some lie, Ray and counter. But look like say, yo, Steph went and did her research and she come back again a few minutes ago. Few hours ago, she went to her Instagram and she previewed this on her story, this artwork right here. It's saying loading. You see me? And then, but not only that, she took to her TikTok where she previewed a new diss track with Jada, man. And I say, yo, me not lie, people. This song sound bad. Me not lie. This song sound flip. Sound like say, yo, Stefflon went and did a research and come back. She thought, oh, yo, that's your belly gal. Or nobody not love you. All type of things. The new diss track sound mad, people. I'm gonna put it up on your live so you can check it out. You see me? But not only that. You see me, Jada, the song so far look like it take Jada respond in a record time because she took to her TikTok and I responded. She said, yo, Stefflon dad come like say, yo, it's a ants and a roach. I'm fucking get her because yo, she look like both of them and she come like a pest in her life, man. I'm gonna play both lives for you guys. I want y'all to check it out. Let me know what your thoughts is. First, I'm gonna play the new track from Steph, man. Check it out, man. This is the newest track.
Live. It's weird. So call your mother. Last week. Which lawsuit? What's going on? Oh no, I can't see no papers. Watch it. Listen to the exclusive. Come on, exclusive. Naturally. Nobody don't love you. Bitch, you a sing about my family, no song. You just did. It's weird. Guys, it's weird, man. Naturally. See and drop. Throw them something. Yeah. Put that one in the air, man. Spark up, man. Lie up, man. Naturally. Yo. Lie. What's going on? Hey.
Yeah, man, gang, that I knew this track from Stefflon that, you know. Yeah, man, people, it's so crazy. In my opinion, it's so crazy. Let me know what your thoughts is. And just to preview, can't wait for the full track drop. It's going to be crazy. That song's going to bang. Look like Steph can make a comeback. We don't know. We're waiting for the song to drop. Then we can make a full jump. You see me? I say, but not only that, gang. Yeah, man, the song somebody look like it caused Jada to respond in record time. Because she took to her TikTok, you know, man, to respond to Stefflon then, you know, man. I mean, I say, yo, come like Steph, come like Answer and Rose. She come like best in her life. You see me? I say, she had this out, Steph. We're going to play it live so you can check it out. Gang, here's the whole live. Check it out.
Surprised. I'm not drinking nothing more. You're insane.
Blow out blood clot.
I'm not eating. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, me so angry.
You come like it's an ant and a roach fuck and get you. You feel both of them. You come, you ever look crazy like shut up, nobody not talking to you. You are too numb. Watch body doll, you are too numb.
Alcohol.
You are too numb. You see him screenshot where you post, I didn't know about it already, remember. I did it when my ex post it. I'm going to tell him delete it where you doing, post it on him OnlyFans. I'm going to tell him delete it. He did blur out. We know what me have an argument about it done. You can't use that and shame me, that don't make no sense. That don't make no sense.
Wait, after somebody said something about wait, guys. Definitely got to enjoy the movie, even if it is movie. Oh, you see, one cousin, you know? Yo, one. What?
But everything good though. I'm chilling. Just let the girl them do them thing. This is
What's crazy is,
I don't know. It's a lot of them shit. It
literally,
is what it is.
like, she's swimming at my teeth done. She literally said to me every time, like, you never had a movie of breakfast? No, we're doing like this. Oh my God, and toothpaste are troopers. Yeah, bro, that's watered out. Like, what is you doing?
No, it's not.
I be water y'all drink.
Yes, yes.
Me no want no more, but I be water y'all
And I
drink.
water man drink. Bro, man, I
That
ask you.
water don't virgin. Like, what?
She just dropped. That's nice.
I really
That's
like
nice.
Press believe in a different type of
Good
taste.
for she.
Like,
She never have no choice but to, so that's good.
press is really good.
Now I set up myself. She alright. Some doors. It's I feel like somebody over there tell her Ray. But it's like do this, do that, do that. I'm gonna like that. It's
We're
like
not focusing on that. We already
what's
know.
just say you do like me not like that. When you go sell up, me not do it with you. Yo, you're winning on
I
one.
don't give a fuck.
Mama go on. Cause the informal business and the weird business. I'm sorry. I'm not care what nobody wants to say. Give it to
You get me?
her.
Like,
Give it to her.
this week.
Can't beat the Lulu. Can't beat the Lulu.
With the Lulu have boundaries.
No, my the Lulu, but me can't beat the
With the
Lulu.
Lulu have
Nah, but
boundaries.
me nah beat. Can't beat the Lulu.
We got work too. We got business.
And she too slow for me, so me can't.
Working like.
Can't do it with the Lulu. I can't want something.
Like,
Can't do it with the Lulu. And what's price of my mother?
I
can't do it with the Lulu. She should win. My Garrett, I'm telling you, I'm serious. I swear to God. I swear upon everything, my love. I am not.
from yesterday.
She win.
Here.
Stretch out business a long bit. Like what? Well, to the new day done, 2 days now, curl. Last can't beat you. Statement.
You gotta know who are. But like,
You gotta like a hoodie, sir.
some pussy like you what?
Don't run.
Oh,
And that bed, don't run.
if me.
The girl dress up like police. And I run like this. Don't run. And that bed, don't run.
Bro. Like if you listen to Chuck, it
Statement, I don't want to see no more bonus statement. I don't want to see it.
knock it off.
I don't want to see the media. The girl win. I can't angle her. She beat me.
You drinking it?
Yeah, I'm still drinking this. She beat me bad. She beat me. She not an idea. She not an idea. She not an idea. She not an idea.
Oh,
She not an idea. She not an ideas. She not an ideas. She not an ideas. Especially if we go to this idiot program, funeral program You know, no ideas and a tease and 100,000 comments and you depend on a promo run. I'm in the promo run. You win one. Me can't beat that like.
I know, I'm drinking.
Can't beat at the Lulu. You win.
Water.
Nah, do it with you. You win, girl. One. You depend on a promo run. I'm gonna depend it. Nah, do it with you. 2 days now, girl. And statement and lawsuit and whoop up. They say this book me. I make all it and me respond. No. You know, no idea. Me I like you. Me I say, alright, we'll go for the store. Oh, auntie, and do this and Ray. And then you come, you know, go call them and make them help you. Girl, come on, girl, you're a big artist, girl. You're a big artist, bad to bad, girl. Big artist with so much hit song and so much million views on YouTube. Do that class now with that long time, so girl look on the views them. You know no idea.
So
You know no idea.
Yeah, let's plan that. Like seriously.
It's boring.
One-on-one,
Can't
like,
do it with our man.
it's like hold on.
I want somebody with ideas.
Like high bonnets, my bonnets, my hot.
You just get colon on. All for you buy the colon on yourself. You know what I say? Girl, me another idea. I'm a begs, and that's why I laugh at when I put the little idiot freestyle on IG and she go respond, what this? And I say, oh, what this? Alright, I guess.
I really just love y'all for it. Like,
if you're really dead, I just want to say that it's serious, but okay, but you know the idea.
If y'all
I'm a begs, because I'm really just say, yo, this is not funny, you know. You're gonna fight me and lawsuit.
But
you win,
you
girl.
about the KFC cup.
When I wrap up in a police business,
barbecue are original today.
Do it today, yo.
If you see a barbecue singer and original.
I let you drop no, just it's
no, I got it.
Come on, girl. And an idea. Take too long now. The door gone, don't let you. And I last so business with you. I like my free life. I like my free life.
But yeah, it's literally just gonna be the hot
I like my free life.
money and
I like the song as I tell you now. That girl walking about vibes, but she not clock nothing in there. She not no idea. You revise that not say nothing, you not say much and nothing, babes.
I love you.
You should have go back on the Taliban with
I
him.
love like to rap like it's not always about seeing and all of them like meeting new people.
So the time I'm up and like me, I feel sorry. I say, boy, watch them.
And
can't do video. I need somebody serious for
as much possible people that I can because sometimes like when I come for you page I'm on board. I'm not, you know, but whatever somebody else like give people or whatever like to support everybody.
You're sick. You're both for Japa album. You're both for Japa album. You're on a promo run.
I just really appreciate that for just like,
you're on a promo run and you try.
Do headlines.
I went back to Jamaica side and I understand. But me give you credit what credit do. You don't know mistake. I give people credit when credit.
First design was
she respond and that was a tough fucking move. That was a tough fucking move. You're not gonna look for the internet. Let me tell you guys, the internet is this small, like it's this small here. Like trust me, I'm going to see it. The internet is
the first
this small.
Because orange is my favorite color.
When I out with my friend them, have a drink and then we go watch a movie.
And then let's say you know what?
Let's
say you know what?
We go watch a movie.
And then let's say you know what? Oh. But anyways guys, we're about to go into our movie. I'm gonna check in with y'all when I get back to the house. Like I fuck with y'all, I love y'all. Follow my Instagram. Y'all know my Instagram already, so
move now, man. Kyle, back up. Can we push me over your sofa?
you got $50.
Me not.
You don't have it.
Can't.
You don't have it.
When you're drunk, you see, man, I can't deal with it when you're drunk. Like, but really not done. You don't know you're limited.
Where is my limited? Did you sell?
Guys, what's up is out now. What's up, aka Big Body?
Body.
It's out now. Big Body, what's up? I got something like that too. It's a little vibes, nothing crazy.
But the number one though.
Top tier is coming.
Crazy.
Okay, top tier. Yo, you're so drunk. Stop it now. The people I'm not already posted already. Top tier is coming soon.
But
And I dropped. Let me drop. Those days out now. Those days been out, but the video will come soon. And that way I talk about. Serious business we are talking about. And Purge is out now. Oh my gosh. So me go and realize Purge with Dexter featuring me out now on his album Trilogy. It just dropped literally like what, this morning? It's a vibe. Go check it out. Yeah. Purge is a vibe. Purge is a vibe. Yeah, I mean, I'm not sure when the video will come, but soon. But it's out now. Those days out. Purge with me and Dexter out. What's up is out. Big Body out.
when you don't learn the whole of them songs, you don't come back to some more songs. Because the amount of songs out right now, we don't learn them yet.
She gonna drop this track. She should drop a this track. She's supposed to. She look crazy. She must drop a diss track. She must. At this point, I can't be, as myself, I cannot beat her. The Lulu, leave me. In the informal last week, in it. She should, of course. Everybody's on her ass. She have to. She don't have a choice. So when it reached that point, it's like, it's been 2 days. She cried Cree already. She ball Cree already. Do your thing where you have to do for save it. Do your thing. Respect your girl. You're not dead for nobody. You win, girl. That's alone make you win. You're resilient. What's poppin'? I'm like, ooh, what's poppin'? I like you, what's poppin'?
Now you sing it.
You know I love that song. I give a fuck.
Now you do love that song.
I don't give a fuck.
You do like that
I'm on the live already. But
if you want to guys, she split justice.
No, wait, shut up. Shut up. I shut up. We're not gonna go there.
All right.
Come on, I love the lady, but
All right.
I sang them bad.
All right. All right.
But come on, she fuck it up already. Weird now. Go on, we got it. You're bad, Cree. You're bad, Cree.
You're bad, Cree.
Hey, you're bad, Cree. Hey, you're bad, Cree.
You're bad, Cree.
Already. I've never said that yet in my history. You say you're a real Kingstonian. I mean that cheer for you, fuck. Me I say, wait, no, man. I know the girl gonna come with something. I'm a suit up. And you left me on the battlefield by my bumbo clad cell. You was getting so nice. So you can't feel last. You win, girl. I can't beat that. You win that. I like you. What's bad? What's good? What's bad? You don't know that I'm not joking. Okay, yeah, girl. Remember the girl that want to fight me over man for no reason. I never want to fight that girl yet. Love me. I do this to my respect and for the culture. Wanna love me out. Alright, yeah, my dear thing. I do to the respect and my culture. Fuck up my release week, man. Me that go drop tops here. The video should have been out already, but that's how it go. It's for a good cause.
Fast breaking with one-on-one, gets to a little bit of a Euro step and finishes with that left hand. And then that ability to finish in the mid-range, he uses his height, put out a little fadeaway over top.
You guys don't understand. Let me tell you something. Just the fact that she put out Dead Girl Walking and responded to my London Bed this track, you don't understand. Like, that was tough, bro. Like, and I don't want to be biased. Like, the song is bad. Did she attack it or she was supposed to know? But it is still bad. So it did bad. Our diss track. As I say, our diss track did bad. As I said, we don't want to bias, but she never really come out. She did come. But that's how it go. And I'm not against the girl. When I start making it look like say Ray, I do this with my respect because she don't go call me out and I say Ray and so we saw and we go so. But when she go ball free now, I don't know. I'm not responding to her. She win. She won. 2D now. All them extra pity business, the victim business, cry business. Can't deal with it.
You're failing all protected from scary comments.
I'm like, oh, what's that? I like you, what's poppin'?
At Leon, we guarantee you will see your primary care physician within 24 hours and a specialist within a week. There's only one way.
I'm single, but I'm not joking. I give everybody props. I'm not a hating ass bitch. Like, that's weird. I've never hate. She's a bad artist. She's tough, trust me. I'm a love sister. They respond. I'm a respond back, and that is that. It is what it is.
I always tell the truth, even when I lie.